Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the most delicious scrambled eggs using ghee. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 3 large, fresh eggs, 1 generous tablespoon of high-quality ghee, and just a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Make sure your favorite non-stick pan is clean and ready, and have a flexible spatula close at hand for perfect results. Now let's prepare our eggs. Crack all 3 eggs into a medium-sized bowl. Using a fork or a small whisk, beat them vigorously until the yolks and whites are completely combined and slightly frothy. Next, place your non-stick pan on the stovetop and turn the heat to medium-low. Allow it to warm up for about 1 minute, then add your 1 tablespoon of ghee, letting it melt and coat the pan evenly. It's time to cook. Pour the whisked eggs into the warm, ghee-coated pan. Let them sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the edges to just begin to set. Then, using your spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, tilting the pan to let the uncooked egg flow underneath. Continue this gentle folding and stirring for 2 to 3 minutes until soft, creamy curds form. The key to perfect scrambled eggs is to remove them from the heat when they are still slightly moist and glossy. They will continue to cook for a few moments. Now, season your beautiful, creamy scrambled eggs with a pinch of salt and a generous grind of fresh black pepper. Serve them immediately on a slice of warm, buttery toast or alongside your favorite breakfast sides for a truly delightful meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.